I've prepared a spreadsheet for you to speed up the entire process of forecasts. Note that this spreadsheet consists out of 2 pages. On the first page named Figures is where you will record all your information, and on the second page titled Results, the De Bruijn spreadsheet will generate all the results based on the work done on the first page titled Figures. Another helpful hint is that you will only work in the light green blocks. The columns and rows with bright green will be locked to protect the formulas, and the columns and rows with the percentage increase estimate that are in light will be open so that you can choose a percentage increase estimate that better suits you. Here is how to navigate the De Bruijn spreadsheet. Step 1. Sales this year. Go to the section titled Sales this year and last year, and go to the column named Sales this year and enter your total sales for every month in the light green rows starting with January. Step 2. Sales last year. In the next column named Sales last year, you will enter your total sales for every month starting with January. Step 3. Guest count last year. Go down to the section of the page titled Guest Count Forecast, and in the column named Guest Count last year, enter your total guest count for the previous year per month, starting with January. Step 4. Guest count this year. In the next column named Guest Count this year, enter your total number of guests served this per month, starting with January. Now that you've completed these steps, you will see that the De Bruijn spreadsheet has generated results for you in the top of the page, as well as in the next page titled Results. Step 5. Move to the top of the page where you will now be able to have results for total sales, number of guests served, sales this year, sales last year, and guest count last year. Step 6. Results. Go to the bottom of the page in the menu bar named and select Results to move to the next page. In the first section of this page titled Sales Forecasts, the De Bruijn spreadsheet will now have generated results for the average sales per guest, sales variance, percentage variance in sales, revenue forecast, guest count forecast, sales per guest forecast, average sales per guest forecast. There is also a section to the right-hand side that will provide you with the average sales per guest last year and with the sales per guest forecast. Step 7. Determining sales variance and percentage variance. Move downwards to the next section named Determining Sales Variance and Percentage Variance. In this section, the De Bruijn spreadsheet has generated results for every quarter of the year per month, sales variance and percentage variance. There is also a section to the right-hand side of the page that will provide you with the sales total per quarter, last year's guest count total per quarter, and last year's average sales per guest per quarter. Step 8. Revenue Forecast. Move downwards to the section titled Revenue Forecast. The De Bruijn spreadsheet has generated a revenue forecast for every quarter of the year per month. Note that you will be able to adjust the percentage increase estimate to suit your preference. There is also a section to the right-hand side of the page that will provide you with the revenue forecast per quarter and average, sales per guest forecast per quarter. Step 9. Guest Count Forecast. Move downwards to the section titled Guest Count Forecast. The De Bruijn spreadsheet has generated a guest count forecast for every quarter of the year per month. Note that you will be able to adjust the percentage increase estimate to suit your preference. There is also a section of the page to the right-hand side that will provide you with guest count forecast per quarter. Quick and easy. If you like the De Bruijn spreadsheet and are keen on getting for yourself, then you are welcome to follow the link posted with the video. That's all, folks. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.